Good morning, everybody. This is Mustafa Driving School, driver training, and we got lovely Cinta. Her test is coming up soon, and we are in near interlock training station, and we're dealing with the width restrictions. If you got test coming up, or you just want to deal with the width restrictions safely, this video might be useful for you. So the width restriction is like depends on the width restriction, but this one is only 2 meters. So you got to go very slow and take your time, you'll be fine. So let's drive on, yeah? So we can deal with it. Okay, get the car ready. Wait when it's safe to do so, yeah? Thank you. Okay, so number one, what we need to do is, yes, when we get there, so who's behind us first, check our mirrors, slow down, and if you look at the shape of the curve, can you see that? Yes? So by the time we get there, we should straighten our wheel already to line up ourselves, yes? So, good, there you go. So stay a little bit to the left side, then a little bit to the right side, beautiful. Okay, move right a bit more, and then squeeze the brake. That's it, slow. That's it, release it. There you go. There you go. Slowly, beautiful. Good. Yes, slowly. You can go. Yeah.
Shit.
That's it. Yeah, that's good. You're doing the right thing. And hold it. Then you can go. That's it. Now we're going to be going left in this road. Thank you. How's that?
Okay.
Yeah. So what sort of a speed we should go through the width restrictions? Zero. What's the benefit of going zero speed there?
You wouldn't crash anything.
Absolutely, yeah. So you gotta go very slow to line up yourself, then slowly you can go forward, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. When we go back now, when we go back now, would you like to have a go by yourself now?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So we just follow the layout of the road now. The road is very bendy, yes? And again, at the end of the road again, bendy, just follow the layout of the road. At the end of the road, I would like to turn right when it's safe to do so, okay? When you can, when it's safe, turn right. Okay, so now we got that width restriction back again from the opposite direction. So show me what you're going to do about the width restrictions. And how's that? Good, well done. Okay, so if anybody dealing with the width restrictions, yeah, if you give them one advice, what advice would you give?
They're very slow.
Go very slow, yeah, good. Okay. So happy with that, with restrictions now?
Yeah.
Good, beautiful. And I would like you to pull on to the left on a safe place, just under the wooden post, okay? On the wooden post, thank you. Thank you, beautiful. Good. Secure the car. Good. Thank you guys. If you found the video useful, please like, share, subscribe for more videos, and have a lovely day. Bye bye. Okay, so